Good afternoon. Myself is BSc Nursing second year, SNS College of Nursing, Adult Health Nursing, Part 2. History collection, biomedical data, patient name Mr. Marisari, age 50 years, sex female, ward I got, occupation housewife, education based, date of admission 14/07/2025, C complaints, left eye pain for past 2 months, watery in eye, fever and headache. Surgery procedure, small incision cataract surgery. Present medical history. Mr. Marisari, 50 years old, female, got admitted on Coimbatore College Hospital, Coimbatore Medical College and Hospital with chief complaints on left eye pain past 2 months, watery in eye, fever and headache. After investigation like lab examination, tonometry, sudden state. Doctor diagnosed as the small left eye macular cataract. Now she is undergoing medication and treatment and medication success here. Tablets, ciprofloxacin 500 mg orally. Past medical history. Mr. Maheshwari, there is no signification of past medical history. Present surgical history. Mr. Marisari, 50 years old, female, undergone surgery. The surgery procedure is here. Left eye macular cataract. Left eye macular cataract. And posterior compartment, intraocular lens, and local anesthesia, undergo local anesthesia. Past surgical history, there is no significance of past surgical history. Menstrual status. Mr. Maheshwari and Mr. Maheshwari attend menopause 50 years, at the age of 15 years, and menopause at the age of 42 years. Physical examinations. Physical examinations, eye and vision inspections, eyebrows, symmetrical, eyelashes equally distributed, eyelids open and closed completely, conjunctiva, plus and pale and plus or present in the left eye, sclera, yellow sclera left eye, visual activity, blurred vision in the left eye. Impression. Through the physical examination, patient finding of difficult activity, dull activity, yellow sclera present, pale and present in the left eye, temperature warmth 99 degree Fahrenheit. Now we are going to disease condition, left eye macular cataract. Definitions. A cataract is defined as a clouding of the lens of the eye, which is easier typically clear. Causes. Cloudy vision, light without double visions, poor night visions, light sensitivity, aging, excessive intake of alcohol, diabetes, hypertension, overweight. Normal eye cataract. Normal clearness cataract, cloudy lens. Types of eye. Cortical cataract, nuclear cataract, posterior capsular cataracts. Management. Keep the area clean. Water sunglasses, wear sunglasses with UV protection. Take medication as prescribed by physicians. If surgery is needed, done by ophthalmologist. Thank you.
Hi guys, welcome back to Yasmina Spark channel. And the students of second year had discussed about the disease condition of left eye cataract. Now I am going to give a short summary of what is the cataract is. The students have discussed almost, but I will give the summary. Let's have an interactive. That is of a cataract is when the lens in your eyes is normally clear, which is of normally clear, but it's become a cloudy one. And the lens size begins your iris and focuses on the light to your retina for shape vision. When the cataract forms, it scatters the light, which causing the blurred vision for the patients and glass and troubles seeing at the night. It likes you looking to the foggy window. It appears to be when you are viewing, the patient may have a blurred vision and they cannot focus on the images what they see. And cataract is super common, especially when the aging is occurring. It's over maximum. It's over the half of the people over 80 ages. And what are the causes and symptoms is of aging is a biggest one, and other factors maybe of UV explorations and smoking, diabetes, and also the high injuries or long term if the patient is taking of steroids. This may also affect. And symptoms is for we have to watch very any double vision, or if there are sensitive to light, and also fading of colors and frequently changes in glasses of prescriptions. If they are wearing glasses, they have to check regularly. If they notice any changes, they have to report that to the doctor immediately. What are the treatments is of cataract is so treatable, and when Gokon surgery is the major one, and where the cloudy lens is replaced by the artificial one. It is quite safe, and there is no risk. And for the lower risk, they will be wearing of UV protection sunlight, and they have to withdraw the smoking. And it's a manageable conditions like diabetes. Whatever they are seeing diabetes, we are visiting the doctor regularly, and prescriptions are followed like the same. We have to have an regular high checkups or the key captures for the cataract earlier. If any doubts, you can comment it and I can reply to a comment. Let's wait for the sections again. Thank you. This is Yalini from SNS College of Nursing. Any doubts, you can comment it. I will be replied soon. Thank you. See you on next video. Bye bye.